it's adapting, one, for us and for them. So yeah, as you said, we don't necessarily have the option of going to the gym or necessarily have weights. We've found that, there are still ways of loading things, with body weight or using other people or equipment at home. You don't have to necessarily lift heavy weights to be strong. I think people believe that you've got to see big muscles and lift hundreds of kilos to be a strong person, but that's not necessarily the case. Using body weight training and training specific core exercises, or utilizing different methods of training. So for instance, for us, we might use holding a position for an extended period of time over, lifting a heavy weight, and that can still give you a bit of load that still is adequate. You might, if you're doing it a bit more sports specific, then you probably need to get a bit of extra weights onto it. But you have to adapt. And I guess adapting to ways of using different exercise programs, which aren't a bad thing, because sometimes it's good to mix it up anyway, is really important for getting people back nice and strong. And that's what we've had to learn with, over this last few weeks. I've done exercise programs with people on Zoom meetings as well, and sat down with them, and I've basically talked them through their program. And that's been a really good way to give people what they need and what they can work towards, basically.